This video introduces Taylor Hobson's roundness and form tester, the Surtronic R series. The system comprises of a gauge and probe, column and arm, air-bearing spindle, optional centering attachment, and a tablet PC. To take a roundness measurement, put the component onto the centering attachment. Center the component and gently rotate the table. Press the measurement icon. As the sample rotates through 360 degrees, the progress line appears. And after a few seconds, the result will appear. The optional centering attachment is designed for high throughput in busy production environments. With it, the whole measurement process can take less than 20 seconds. As soon as the results have appeared, you can change the component and move on to the next part. Using a similar setup, flatness measurements are just as straightforward. Center the component as before. Rotate the gauge to the flatness measurement position. Bring the probe into contact and gently spin the table to measure. Fitting or removing the centering attachment is easy. To remove the table, undo the 3 screws underneath and lift off the assembly. The standard table is equipped with adjustable centering and leveling controls around the outside. Begin by centering the part to the spindle axis by using the centering screws. Use the leveling adjustments if necessary. This test piece has interrupted features, so we're going to measure roundness over the interruptions and then remove that data. Start by taking a measurement across the interruptions. What we actually want to do is remove the interruptions so they're not included in the results. Simply double tap the screen and move the cursors around to exclude the interrupted regions. Reanalyze. And now we can see the roundness of the part with the interruptions excluded. Another common type of measurement undertaken is thickness variation. Once the outer measurement is finished, the display prompts you to move to the internal position. There's 2 ways you can do this. You can either use over-center roundness and reach across the center axis of the spindle without rotating the gauge, or you can rotate the gauge around. Making the internal roundness measurement over center is a little quicker though, and is a new feature for this instrument. Move the probe down to the same height as before, and then move it into contact. Both results will appear on the screen, displaying the roundness of the outside, the roundness of the inside, the concentricity between the 2, and the thickness variation. The Excite software is very versatile. The screen is touch sensitive and is used to navigate between the various apps. Roundnesses, flatness, harmonic analysis, thickness variations, squarenesses. More advanced features like velocity and harmonics are all easily accessible. By pressing an app, you can drill down into the different settings and applications and select different measurement types. It's also programmable, so if you want to copy or recreate an app with a different setting, select it, copy the application, change the name or even the color, and you now have a new app that can be positioned wherever you like. The Surtronic Roundness is designed with serviceability in mind, with easy to replace and change styli and a plug-and-play gauge. Removing the cover reveals the small PCB and USB connectivity. Even the spindle will come out as a single unit. Nearly all the elements are plug-and-play modules, easy to swap out in the field. The Surtronic R series from Taylor Hobson, designed for any shop floor, accurate enough for even the busiest metrology lab, easy to use, fast and robust.